how do you make money from market movements? So, if you are looking at the stock market, the Forex market, or the commodity markets, and you're seeing price action, meaning the movement of a price of a stock, commodity, or a currency, and you're asking yourself, how do you make money from that? Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Jeremy Blossom, and I have over 19 years of investing and trading experience. And making money from market movements is actually one of the most fundamental ways you can make money trading. Because what we need to make money is some sort of price action, movement happening with the asset we're interested in. Let's take a look at the stock market. If the stock market goes up and you own the stock market, then the value of the shares you own are going to increase. That's a movement, that's you making money from that movement. What happens if the market goes down and you own any of these assets? Well, that means that you're going to see a depreciation in the value of what you've bought. So this market movement is the fundamental way for you to position yourself in order to make money or lose money. And that's a part of it, right? So in order to make money from it, you have to have some understanding of the asset that you're investing or trading in. Do you have a really firm understanding of what drives the value or drives the demand of this asset? Let's take a look at cocoa. Cocoa is at near all-time highs. There's a big, huge shortage, which is driving the demand and prices up, right? So if you knew that or saw that coming or had an inclination that something like this was going to take place, then you could go and buy some futures contracts on cocoa. Or take a look at NVIDIA. This is the stock that's been rising quite rapidly over the last few years, and maybe you were in the know about computing chips and the future of AI, and you wanted to get in on the ground floor of it. Well, you could have found NVIDIA and bought some of the shares and ridden the appreciation or the market movement that happened from this big AI boom that we're in. It's important to note that at the end of the day, no one has a crystal ball, and some things are just out of our control. And we need to understand that because that's the risk. And if the risk is worth the reward for you, then maybe it's something you should consider. If not, then you should avoid it. I hope that helps. That's all for today.